In Module 1, we explore the history, scope, and core concepts of hospitality and tourism. Now, in Module 2, we shift to the practical side, how the industry actually operates, the strategies that drive success, and how organizations adapt to global challenges. Operational management in hospitality and tourism is all about delivering quality services efficiently. It involves planning, coordinating, and supervising daily activities to ensure that guests receive seamless, memorable experiences. Because hospitality and tourism are highly service-based, operations must be synchronized across multiple departments, from front desk and housekeeping in hotels to ticketing, tour guides, and transport coordination in tourism. 2. Hotel and accommodation operations. Hotels are often the most visible face of hospitality. Their operations can be divided into front office, the first point of contact for guests. Responsibilities include check-in, reservations, guest inquiries, and handling complaints. Staff here set the tone for the guest perception of the property. Housekeeping ensures rooms and public areas are clean, comfortable, and well-maintained. Housekeeping is often described as the backbone of the hotel because its work directly impacts guest satisfaction. Food and beverage service, from breakfast buffets to fine dining, F&B operations are essential for both revenue and guest experience. Maintenance and engineering oversee building systems, plumbing, air conditioning, and other technical operations. Sales and marketing work to attract guests, promote services, and maintain relationships with clients and partners. Human resources, recruitment, training, and employee welfare to ensure a motivated workforce. Efficient coordination between these departments is critical. For example, the front office must update housekeeping about room occupancy changes, and sales must work with F&B to plan for large group arrivals. 3. Food and beverage management. The food and beverage sector is vast and diverse. Operational management here involves menu planning, designing offerings that balance customer preferences, cost control, and kitchen capabilities. Procurement, sourcing fresh ingredients from reliable suppliers. Kitchen operations, maintaining hygiene, safety, and efficiency in food preparation. Service styles, from table service to buffets and room service. Quality control, monitoring taste, presentation, and service consistency. Because F&B is both a high-revenue and high-cost area, managers must pay close attention to waste control, portion sizes, and customer feedback. 4. Tourism operations and destination management. Beyond individual hotels and restaurants, the tourism sector involves destination management, coordinating attractions, events, accommodations, and transportation to create appealing packages for visitors. Destination management organizations, DMOs, often work with local governments, private businesses, and community groups to promote attractions through marketing campaigns. Ensure infrastructure, roads, airports, public transport meets visitor needs. Maintain the natural and cultural heritage of the area. Develop new tourism products, such as adventure trails or heritage tours. Tourism operations also involve tour operators who package and sell experiences, ensuring that each element, transport, accommodation, activities, is well coordinated. 5. Service quality management. Quality is not just a goal, it is the lifeline of hospitality and tourism. Service quality management focuses on setting standards, training staff, and monitoring performance. Popular frameworks include ServQual model, measures service quality across tangibles, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. Total Quality Management, TQM, involves continuous improvement through feedback loops and staff involvement. Mystery guest audits, where anonymous evaluators experience and rate the service. In hospitality, small service failures can have large consequences because they directly impact guest memories. 6. Marketing in hospitality and tourism. Marketing in this industry is about selling experiences, not just products. Key marketing strategies include brand positioning, defining what makes your hotel, restaurant, or destination unique. Segmentation and targeting, identifying specific market segments, such as luxury travelers, backpackers, or family tourists. Digital marketing, using social media, search engines, and online booking platforms. Partnership marketing, collaborating with airlines, local attractions, and other service providers. Storytelling, creating emotional connections through narratives about the destination or service. Word of mouth and online reviews have become powerful marketing forces. A single positive or negative review can influence thousands of potential guests. 7. Financial management in hospitality and tourism. Profitability depends on balancing revenue and cost. Financial management involves revenue management, adjusting prices dynamically based on demand, common in hotels and airlines. Cost control, monitoring labor, supplies, and utilities. Budgeting, forecasting expenses and revenues for upcoming periods. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as occupancy rate, average daily rate, ADR, and revenue per available room, RevPAR. Effective managers understand that financial decisions must support both short-term profitability and long-term brand reputation. 8. Human resource management and training. The hospitality and tourism workforce is diverse and customer-facing. Successful HR management involves recruiting individuals with strong interpersonal skills, providing cultural sensitivity and language training, offering career development opportunities to retain staff, managing work-life balance, especially in peak seasons when hours can be long. Employee satisfaction often reflects directly in guest satisfaction. 9. Technology in hospitality and tourism. Technology is transforming the industry. Examples include online booking systems, making reservations seamless. Customer relationship management, CRM, software, tracking guest preferences for personalized service. Mobile apps, offering check-in, room service, and local recommendations. Virtual reality, VR, allowing travelers to preview destinations before booking. Artificial intelligence, AI, powering chatbots for customer inquiries. Adopting technology is not optional, it is essential for competitiveness. 10. Sustainability and responsible tourism. The modern industry faces a pressing challenge: how to grow without harming the environment or local communities. Sustainable hospitality involves reducing energy and water use, minimizing waste and plastic consumption, supporting local businesses and sourcing locally, protecting cultural heritage, educating guests about responsible behavior. Many travelers now seek eco-friendly accommodations and authentic, ethical tourism experiences. Businesses that adapt to this trend often gain a competitive edge. 11. Risk and crisis management. The industry is vulnerable to risks such as natural disasters, political instability, pandemics as seen during COVID-19, accidents and security threats. Crisis management requires contingency planning, clear communication, and flexibility to adapt operations quickly. 12. Global trends and the future of hospitality and tourism. The future is shaped by trends like personalization, the custom-tailored services based on guest data, leisure travel, combining business and leisure, wellness tourism, spa retreats, yoga resorts, and health-focused travel, space tourism, an emerging niche for the ultra-wealthy, cultural immersion, travelers seeking authentic, local experiences. Success in the future will require adaptability, cultural intelligence, and technological integration. In this module, we have covered the operational, strategic, and global dimensions of hospitality and tourism management, from hotel operations to marketing, finance, sustainability, and future trends. Together with Module 1, you now have a comprehensive overview of the industry, its history, core principles, operational realities, and strategic directions. Hospitality and tourism is a people-centered, ever-evolving field. It thrives on passion, adaptability, and a commitment to creating experiences that guests will cherish for a lifetime.